As a program that's improved health insurance access for kids celebrates its silver anniversary, there are calls to ensure it remains strong for the future. This Friday is the 25th anniversary of the Children's Health Insurance Program, created by Congress to cover millions of kids who might not otherwise have health care coverage. Loren Anthes with the Center for Community Solutions explains, instead of creating a standalone program, Ohio leverages CHIP dollars to extend Medicaid eligibility.
It's a good deal and get a high return on that investment from a policy perspective. There's all these positive benefits in terms of economic mobility, in terms of addressing things like educational outcomes or family stability.
Since CHIP began, the rate of uninsured kids in the U.S. has dropped nearly 10 percentage points. In June, 1.3 million Ohio children were enrolled in Medicaid, including 230,000 through CHIP. Joan Alker with the Georgetown University Center for Children and Families thinks Congress should permanently reauthorize CHIP to build on the progress that has been made.
A few times over the 25 years, CHIP has become a little bit of a political football, and we've seen some instances where we had lapses in the program. So we know that CHIP works, and having Congress move to make it permanent would be great.
During the federal public health emergency, states received more funding for Medicaid and were not allowed to drop people from Medicaid coverage. Anthes says because of that, overall enrollment increased by nearly 550,000 between March 2020 and March 2022.
If there's anything that policymakers should be paying attention to, it's the ways in which we're ensuring that whole families can maintain their coverage for going through uncertain economic times. If we don't, there's a number of ripple effects that could happen, and the ones who are going to be paying for it are Ohio's children.
The public health emergency is set to expire October 13th. However, it could be extended, as it has been several other times. For Ohio News Connection, I'm Mary Sherman. Find our eTrust indicators to support transparency and accuracy at publicnewsservice.org.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Mooney. Welcome to what is our new Hope Interrupted podcast based on the work from our book, Hope Interrupted, that I co-authored with my good friend Byron McCauley.
Hey, Jennifer, I'm looking forward to this podcast as much as I was looking forward to writing this book with you. We hope to interview some high-impact folks as well as have a little fun.
We're going to cover stories of hope. To learn more about our podcast and our book, please visit www.hopeinterrupted.com.